Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. Time for some sweet endings here on Cup of Joe Christmas, guys. Hope you're having a wonderful holiday. It's Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. I am doing, guys, a dessert that's going to blow your mind. Real simple to pull together. Brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelty Ice Creams. And I've been using this whole season. I've been having so much fun using Creamery Novelty Ice Creams. And today, I am doing a rum and raisin fruit cake parfait. Sounds fancy? So simple. Using rum and raisin ice cream from the Creamery brand. Let me tell you how easy this is. So I have some caramel. This is out of the Scotty bottle. You just squirt some caramel sauce, how much ever you so desire. And I am just spiking it with some cinnamon. So I'm kind of just flavoring up the caramel sauce just a bit. And this is your favorite dark rum. You want to get a little bit in there. So ideally, you don't want it too watery. So this here is for me. So you just mix that all together. And that's really just to spike the caramel sauce. Then I have some black cake. Now, a little trick with this black cake. I know probably mommy ain't cut the black cake up properly yet, but take a little piece, put it in the fridge, and then take it out, and it will slice up nice in these lovely cubes. So it won't be overly crumbly. Now I like a little bit of mix of crumble and cubes when I'm doing this recipe, but these cubes are fantastic in terms of getting it nice and cube in the fridge, and then slice it up. Fancy glass. I am starting at the base with a little bit of my rum caramel sauce happening here. So just a little base, just at the base, and then I have my Creamery rum and raisin ice cream. I love this flavor. I've always been a rum and raisin guy, you know. Even since I was small, boy, something wrong with that. And I just want one nice scoop of the rum and raisin ice cream. And then I'm building now. So I have some of the black cake. So you can just know, this is all up to your own creative desire. You get some black cake all around there. So this is where I tell you, I kind of like some crumbly as well. So I'm gonna just take some and just mash it up a little bit. And you're basically forming a nice layer of your fruit cake. You then pile this rum and raisin ice cream. So this is where the fun is. You get that all piled up there. And all I'm doing now, guys, is adding back just a little bit more of my rum caramel sauce. And just a little prettiness. I think Marilla got these. I don't know where she got these, no? A little prettiness, you know, Marilla love her prettiness. So you just sprinkle some red sugar crystals there. You know what you can also do here? Just before you serve this up, you could douse some more rum just at the base. Yeah, guys, fruitcake parfaits for the holidays. I hope you try this recipe, guys. This is fantastic. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have a scoop, but do enjoy the holidays, guys.